Is KeySlim Drops really proven to work? A clear, human-friendly breakdown. When you see a supplement like KeySlim Drops getting a lot of attention online, promising fast fat burning, reduced cravings, 360-degree metabolism support, and effortless weight loss, it's only natural to wonder whether any of this is actually backed by real science. So I looked into the evidence behind KeySlim Drops as of 2025, the studies, the ingredients, the criticisms, and what real users are saying. Here's the honest truth. 1. Are there real clinical studies on KeySlim Drops? Short answer, no, not really. Despite the marketing hype, there is no verified, peer-reviewed clinical trial testing the actual KeySlim Drops formula on real people. Independent reviews point this out clearly. The product hasn't been studied in a controlled scientific setting, and a lot of the claims seem to be built on marketing rather than medical research. This doesn't automatically mean the product is fake, but it does mean the scientific proof is thin. 2. The obesity facts study they mention, not verifiable. On some of their promotional material, KeySlim Drops references a supposed 2019 study in the journal Obesity Facts showing participants losing inches and body fat in just 8 weeks. Here's the problem. This study cannot be found in scientific databases like PubMed. There is no published research using the name KeySlim Drops in reputable journals. This makes the claim questionable, and many reviewers believe it may be misrepresented or misunderstood. So, any major clinical proof KeySlim highlights is something we cannot verify through trusted scientific sources. 3. What about the ingredients? Do they work? This is where things get a bit more positive. KeySlim Drops contains several well-known weight loss ingredients, and some of these do have real research behind them, just not in this exact combination. Some examples: green tea extract, supported by research for increasing fat oxidation and boosting metabolism. L-carnitine helps transport fatty acids into cells for energy, commonly used in fat-burning supplements. Guarana can increase metabolic rate and energy levels. Chromium picolinate may help regulate appetite and control blood sugar. Adaptogens may help reduce stress-related eating. So, its formula is based on ingredients that have potential benefits. But again, this doesn't prove that KeySlim Drops as a whole product delivers the dramatic results advertised. Think of it in this way. Having good ingredients is not the same as having clinical proof. 4. What critics and experts are saying. Several reviewers and scam check websites have raised red flags. The website uses aggressive sales tactics. Some claims are over the top, like melt fat overnight, or lose weight without changing your diet. The supplement relies heavily on marketing funnels, celebrity-style endorsements, and countdown timers. There are reports of low trust scores for some sellers, especially on unofficial websites. None of this means the supplement is dangerous, but it's a good reminder to approach with realistic expectations. 5. What real users are reporting. User experiences are mixed, but more grounded than the ads. Many people say their appetite decreased a little. They felt more steady energy during the day. Weight loss was modest, not dramatic. The taste is herbal, and not everyone likes it. For example, one user on Reddit shared, "I noticed my appetite going down within 2 weeks. Lost a few pounds the first month. Taste isn't the best, but not terrible. These kinds of results are normal for herbal weight loss drops. Helpful to some extent, but far from miracle territory." So, is KeySlim Drops proven to work? Here's the balanced conclusion. White heavy checkmark, what's true, it contains legitimate weight loss ingredients. Many users report small, gradual benefits. It's made in a GMP-certified facility with natural ingredients. It might support appetite control and metabolism when used consistently. Crossmark, what's not proven, it does not have validated clinical trials. The dramatic fat loss claims lack scientific proof. The advertised obesity facts study cannot be verified. White medium star final verdict KeySlim Drops is not a miracle solution, and it isn't clinically proven the way the marketing suggests. But it may offer mild support for weight management, especially if paired with healthy eating, activity, and consistent use. If you try it, the safest approach is to view it as a helpful boost, not a standalone fat-burning cure.